Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today you learn alphabets, numbers and shapes. Blue color, red color, green color, black color, yellow color and white color. Kids, now you coloring ABC 1, 2, 3 and 2D shapes. Kids, first you draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use blue color. Kids, again use blue color and draw B. B for ball, B for bat. Kids, again use. Kids, neither C. C for cat, C for car, and use red color. D. D for dog, D for doll. E. E for egg, E for elephant. Kids, neither numbers. And first read the 1, the numbers of 1, and use green color. 2. Kids, neither 3, the numbers of 3, and use black color. 4. Kids, again use black color and draw 5, the numbers of 5. Kids, neither shapes. And first we draw square, the shape of square, and use blue color. Kids, neither circle, the shape of circle, and use red color. Kids, neither triangle, the shape of triangle, and use green color. Kids, neither heart, the shape of heart, and use black color. Kids, last draw Easter, the shape of Easter, and use yellow color. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.